In 15 years, we are dedicated to providing our customers with a shopping experience that is more than just a transaction. With attention to detail and unwavering dedication, we aim to create an ambience where every interaction is an unforgettable journey of satisfaction and delight. Over the years, we reach out to you more closely, listening to our customers' needs and desires. It is through this deep understanding that we continually strive to innovate and elevate our standards. So come, immerse yourself in an experience that exceeds the ordinary, where every purchase is not just a transaction, but a journey of discovery ending in a million of smiles. Log in Megastore. We make you smile.